Hello and welcome again to Storeino. Today we will continue our videos about customizer. In the previous video we have seen a full review of customizer and all the parameters of the home page. Today we will see how we can customize our shop page. It's really easy to do. As usual, go and click on customizer. This is the customizer. The thing that we have not explained in the previous preview that you will see in some parameters here that some of them are highlighted in the gray color. Some are white and some are gray. The gray color here, or the parameters of the gray color, are deactivated or not showing in this page, which is the home page. For example, the shop is not showing in the home page. But the white parameters are showing, the header top, the header. And if you go up here, you will see that we have selected the home. If you click and select the shop, you will see that some parameters are highlighted in gray, for example, the slider, because there is no slider in the shop page. So let's continue our customization. First, you will see the header top, header hero are the same, so we will not change that in this video. The thing that we will cover is the shop and the shop sidebar. So navigate to shop and click on it. You will see some parameters. First of all, the text that is showing in here. You can edit it and put whatever you like. For example, I'm gonna delete font and let only for products. Like this. This is the count and this is the text. The second thing is the max items, which are the max items showing in one single page before you paginate or before you click on next button to view the next page. It is set to 12. You can put whatever you like. Then the size, we have already covered the size in the home page, as we see with collections and with products. The small gives you a preview of 4, or a columns of 4, medium 3, large 2. The paginate style. The paginate style, if you have, for example, 12 products, let's see, for example, I'm gonna set the max to 2, so we could see the paginate here. As you see, this is the paginate style. The style now has been modified to be a box. You can put either a box or a circle based on your needs or your design. Then the paginate endpoint. You can set either a start or a center or an end. Then this button here shows a shop sidebar, which is this one. You can either activate it or deactivate it. Now we will go to see how we can customize this sidebar. Go back and click on shop sidebar. You will see some parameters and some options. The first one is the text. As you see, with Storeino, you can edit either the text if you don't like the terms. For example, we have here all categories that we have changed in the previous video. Collections, for example, I don't like collections. I love more categories. So I can control this with just putting the text in the right box, and it changes automatically. Then also the price, then colors, then popular size, all of those text can be changed. Now we go to show or hide this collections. We have collections, we have filter by price, we have color select style, we have filter by color and select size select style, also filter by size. If you don't want to show the collections in your sidebar because you have this bottom right here shows all categories or all collections, just click right here and it will be hidden. It is as simple as that. The same thing with the price and the same thing with the filters. This is all easy. With just a click, you can hide or show a parameter in your store. Let's go back. Now, something we haven't covered in the previous video, which is the footer. If you go back here and click on footer, you will see some parameters of the footer. You will see the about us, the logo. If you click the image right here and select the logo, as you see here, then the menu, you can have a separated menu for the header like this and a separated menu for the footer also. I'm gonna select, for example, this main menu and click on confirm. Then you will see a text. You can change it. This is the text, the address, the phone, the email. You can change it in here as you like. You can put whatever you like in this text. Then the newsletter, you will see that the title of the newsletter and the button show subscribe, then a text, then the placeholder. Everything is easy to set up. And you can also add new items to the footer with just a click of a button. It's easy, right? Thank you for watching. I hope that everything is clear for you. See you soon in other tutorials. If you have any questions, don't forget to let us know in the comments. Thank you. Do not forget to click on publish now.